Alright guys, today we're back with something a wee bit different. We're cooking the steak here. This steak is Nature's Glen 100% Scotch pure rump steak, 30 days mature. Goes out of date in 3 days, so I'm cutting it through. Let's crack this open. Alright, first thing I want to do is take this, as that slightly salted spreadable reduced fat real butter. Wish it was the full fat stuff, but that's what was in the fridge. We'll take a bit of this, a nice helping, and we put it on the pan. You see that? Right on the pan. And from there we turn it on, as you can see. Let's keep that on full blast and let that butter just melt. Let it melt. See that? That's some real cooking there. Just lid up the pan. Look at that. That's what you want to see. Because that's what we're cooking the steak in. I'm not going to use any oil, just using this butter here. And we'll let the pan heat up so it's a nice scalding temperature when we put the steak on it. Well, that's bubbling away. Let's take the steak and put some salt and black pepper on it. Okay, if I put the ingredients on one side, and from that, we'll take this and put it right on the pan. That's exactly what you want to see. And from there, we'll do the same. Look at that bubbling away. And from there, put that to the side. We'll make our sauce. It's basic, has that gravy, granules, just essentials. So we'll get this open, make our sauce, so that's cooking away. How to prepare. 4 heat teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know they weren't quite full, but that's heat enough. Picked up that thinking it would tell me the water. Okay, need to make some boiling water. Got some in there. Let's put that on. Is it plugged in? It is plugged in. As you can see, it is plugged in and on the boil. The smells coming off this are immaculate. Get the sear on that. Smells magnificent. That's not how you cook a steak. Well, it is, but not this. Some full skater tricks right there. Fuck off. Let's take this off the pan. There we go. Let that sizzle away on its own while we prepare the gravy. No again. Why is that still going off? But it's done now. That's a bit too thick then. Let's, unthicken that. just let that cook away in its own juices over there. And we get this all thickened up to the right consistency. Still a bit too thick. Just a wee bit more water. Just a wee bit more. Yeah, I think that might be perfect. Take the steak off the pan. Maybe a little bit too well done for my taste, but we'll see when we get to tasting. Let's give it a little drizzle. And if you're wondering, I've got no chips. But what I do have is this bottle of wine you might have seen earlier in the video when I was running about trying to get that alarm off. Some Echo Falls White Zinfandel. I know you pair a red wine with a steak or a red meat, but that's all I've got. Oh. And that's a glass of wine. Let's cut into the steak and see what all the fuss is about. Actually, perfectly cooked for my taste. Still pink red in the middle. Look at that. The flavours all come together. Magnifique. What a delicious pairing. Well, thank yous all for tuning into Cooking with the Scottish Walker. Steak time. That was really good. You could also say it was a delicious steak review. You know what? It was a good meal. Cheers. 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 Please hit the like button on this video. It would really mean a lot. Also, if you'd hit that subscribe button, we're nearly at 250. Let's hit the 250 soon. And don't forget the notification bell. A ring-a-ding-ding. More videos like this. See you all next time. Cheers. No glass.